This is a disassembled demonstration for Pelonis Air Circulator Model FB50-9HA. For this demonstration, I'll be using a caddy to hold the parts, 3 regular size bungee cords, a small bungee cord, a pair of black rubber gloves, and a regular screwdriver. It's a Starhead tip. Step 1. Unplug the fan and bind the cord with a small bungee cord. Step 2. Secure the fan to the table with the 3 bungee cords. Step 3. Remove the 2 tilting adjustable knobs. Step 4. Remove the fan from the base. Step 5. Loosen the screws in the rear guard with the screwdriver. Step 6. Remove the screws from the rear guard by tapping on the front guard. Final, step 8. Separate the front guard and the rear guard by pulling them apart. If you found this demonstration to be useful or helpful, please show support and leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.